Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to learn different types of face. This is for the month of September. So here draw a same size of circle. You should draw 3 circles. So after drawing a same size of circle, you should draw a 3 circles. So draw 3 circles like this. See, always when you are drawing a circles, you should overlap. Draw a straight line exactly in the center, and the first one, it's a low. Then you should draw the line in the middle. Then you should draw a high. So this is called a low, and this is called a middle, and this is called high. So when we are drawing of different types of faces, we can use this is called an eye level, where we have two eyes. No, this is called an eye level. So it's a eye level, and then exactly in the center, if we work the two eyes, it's called a middle, and even we can work on eye level in middle also. One is low, one is middle, and another one is high. And this is called eye line for high. See, it means the low in between the eye line, and exactly in the center it will be the nose. Nose and chin will be exactly half will be the lip. Again eye line and the chin half will be the nose, and again nose and chin half will be the lips. So same for high also, eye level and the chin exactly half will be the nose, and again nose and chin exactly half will be the lips. So this is how we will work for different types of face: low, middle and high. And the other technique I should teach you: draw the circle, draw 3 types of circles. See, when we are working as a caricature, a cartoon, it should look like a fun character. So whether your chin level can be extended in these types of ways: so thin, so fat, so lean, you can make it like this. See, now it's exactly in the center. The eye line can change whether in a low, whether in a middle, or it can be in a high also. So these are the types that how we can able to work for different types of faces. So this is how we'll work for different types of face. So the second topic we are going to learn here is different views of face. This is for the month of September. And now draw any type of shape very freehand, how you can flow it as like that. See, can you see here how I'm working? I'm not working with proper shape, however my hand is flowing. I'm just drawing with very free hand. You should draw like this and divide according to the shape. It may be low, it may be a middle, or it may be a high. Can you see how I'm dividing? But when you are dividing for nose and lips, it should be for chin and eye level. See, I'll explain here. Draw exactly in the center and the eye line. For eye line to chin, it will be exactly half will be the nose, and nose to chin, exactly half will be the nose. You can work in the different types called low, middle and high, which we learnt in the previous topic. See, this last character I am drawing in the side view. See, already we learned different types of eyes, different types of nose, lips. So start applying on these different view of faces. See, I'm just what all the eyes is, nose we practice, just apply on the particular exactly in the proportion of the place. See here, I'm drawing a nose because we learned different types of noses. And draw the eyes. So as like this complete, you should complete for all the faces. If you're not getting the idea, you can do it a same. If you want to do it by your own, please you can do it as per your creative level. See, proportion is very important. How we divided eye line, nose and lips. You should draw the eyes in the same place, and nose also exactly in the same place, and lips also you should draw in the same place. The types of faces only will be in the three different places: low, middle and high. So now I started drawing a ears. Think that whether in this visual we can see the ears or not. So draw the ears, and now you can start working with an hairstyles. We learn different types of hairstyles. It may be male or female. We learn both. According to the character, how it's matched to the character, you should do the hairstyle has like that. So work with the hairstyles. See, while I designing, I planned with the it's like a male, but while after doing a final output, I can show using a hairstyles and the eyes details. I can fix it whether it's a male or a female. But if we have a proper plan, whom we are imitating as a caricature, we will be having a very clear picture how we should give a angle of different face with a different view, and what type of hairstyle we should give. This what we are doing, it's from our memory. Okay, and make sure that doing in your creative. So this is the first topic. We learned different types of face. We learned low, middle and high. The second topic, we learned different view of faces. You can draw same or you can draw from your memory. Thank you.